Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up. Hold both of them at the same time till you see the Poco logo on the device. And then you can let go. And there we go. So we're now in recovery mode. And in this mode, you don't really have much options. You can reboot the device, wipe it, or connect to Mi Assistant, which is just a PC program, I believe. And whatever you select, you will use volume keys like so, and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And if you want to leave it, select reboot, and then reboot to system. And that's how you also leave this mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.